Hi guys, just want to make a quick video. This is going to be a different kind of video. This video is going to be about how to use traditional Kobudo weapons as fitness tools. Today you don't need traditional Kobudo weapons as self-defense tools because they're far better self-defense tools like shotguns, rifles, and pistols. But they're still a useful tool for fitness, and that's what I do. I like to use Kabuto weapons as a way to exercise my shoulders, especially for shoulder rotation exercises. So here are some traditional Kabuto weapons. Kobudo is composed of two Japanese words, kobu meaning weapons, and do meaning way. So Kobudo actually means the way of weapons, or weapons way. Sometimes referred to as kobujutsu. Kobu meaning weapons, and jutsu meaning art. So kobujutsu would be weapons art, or the art of weapons. Whether you use a pair of sais, which were traditional Oriental pitchforks, or a whip chain, or any chain for that matter. This is a three-sectional set staff, so setsukan, a pair of nunchaku, a pair of tonfas, or whether you use your hands. Your hands are weapons as well. Now, I'm not suggesting you do any of these weapons as a means of self-defense. You're better off getting yourself a handgun or a rifle or a shotgun. But what I am suggesting is to use them as fitness tools. Keep yourself in shape, keep yourself flexible, and as a form of cardio. So I've used some garden stakes to demonstrate the 9 angles of attack. No matter what you use, whether it be your hands or any type of weapon, you're basically going to strike at 9 general angles of attack. And basically it is a cross with an X intersecting it. So it forms what looks like to be an asterisk. So this would be angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6, angle 7, angle 8, and angle 9 would be the center, which would be like for a thrust, or a straight punch, like a cross, for example, or a jab. Okay, I'm going to show the 9 angles of attack using a pair of nunchakus as a pair of clubs. This is just to demonstrate the angles. Angle 1, feet to the top of the head. Angle 2, feet to the collarbone. Angle 3, to the elbow. Angle 4, feet to the thigh. Angle 5, to the groin. Angle 6, to the other thigh. Angle 7, to the opposite elbow. Angle 8, feet to the other collarbone. Angle 9, be a thrust to the midsection, throat, nose, or eye. So no matter what weapon you use the same angles of attack. So the idea is to do some kind of exercise that you enjoy doing. It's fun to play with weapons. It's just this. To use figure eights or strikes. You get a good cardio. What I like doing is do it in 2-minute rounds with a 1-minute rest interval in between. So even if you just do this, or just you're going to find this to be a good exercise for your shoulders. purpose of this is not to teach you how to use a weapon, but how to exercise with it. So whether you use one weapon or two, it's just a fun thing to play with. And of course you can do this against a heavy bag. So there you go, guys. What I'm suggesting is you want to spice up your exercise, think about using traditional Oriental weapons, because it's definitely fun to play with. And it doesn't matter how you get your exercise in. If you find out if you like to do it, you'll exercise more. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.